Hey guys, welcome back. So, putting back my clutch kit for the summer. I took the tracks off and I'm going to clean my surfaces of my clutch, and I'm just going to show you guys like really quick. So basically there's two ways going at it. Acetone is one way of going with it, and Can-Am makes this XPS1 clutch and pulley flange cleaner. So, first time trying it. We'll see how it works. So basically spray it around, get yourself some Scott towels, get yourself some scuff pad, the 80 grit I think it is or whatever, but it's the hand stuff there. Just buy one sheet and cut it all up. You'll basically only need little squares, and start scuffing away like this, and then to make it the surface, and then just spray a little bit and then scuff away, and then you wipe clean. So we'll shoot this on here and wipe clean. This stuff dries really quick. So basically you just, like, that's a real quick there, you can make this line disappear where the belt was sitting, and that's basically it. And with the acetone, it's that stuff seems to be working pretty good. We'll try with the acetone on the other side. Just get it wet a little bit. Grab your scuff pad, and we'll compare. If you guys want to go to your dealer to get that stuff, and that's the acetone after a couple of scuffs. So
I think that acetone is better.
No, actually this stuff I like it. It's basically, it's doing the same thing. Acetone, it's this can here.
It's cheap.
No, well, this is 13 bucks Canadian. So you probably get it for 10 US or something, because our dollar is worth shit. But anyways, we'll try and compare it right beside and see what cleans better. That's about the same amount of rubbing. And let's scuff it down. Let's clean it good with both sides. Actually, I think, yeah. So this stuff goes good for cleaning. So yeah, if you're thinking of the S1 at your XPS Pro clutch and pulley and flange cleaner, it's okay. It's just as good as acetone, if not better. And it wipes clean, it cleans clean. So basically, you gotta split your clutches. You got to see my other videos on the clutch splitting and all that stuff. So basically, you need the clutch splitting tool. You do it when you do that. So basically, you get to do this at least once a year. If you're burning a lot of belts, or blowing lots of belts, you should do it on a regular basis every time you split your clutches and all that, and then just clean your surfaces, especially if you're racing and all that. So if you want pretty good grip for your belt and everything, that's the way to do it. So I just wanted to give you guys a little heads up on basically split your clutch, clean them, because secondary, when it's together in the back there, she's tight, and you're gonna have even if you split it with this belt splitter, you're gonna have to do it like this. It's gonna be long, and then turn your clutch and do it. So if you do have this, you need the clutch splitter tool, so that this makes it way easier, and it'll be I don't know, 10-minute job, 15-minute job. And guess what? This stuff gets your hands dirty, scuffing aluminum, really dirty. And I know you guys seen that I finally splurged and went and got some heavy duty latex gloves. So first time, so we'll do it like that. So thanks for watching. More videos are to come really quick. Bang bang bang. And also, as you can see outside, the grass is getting green and there's no more snow, so we will be doing rides. I've been setting up and trying to get ready for the summer, so that's what I'm doing. So we'll see you soon. Thanks guys for sticking around with me. I know I haven't posted a video in a while, but videos are coming back, and glad to see you guys stuck around with me. Greatly appreciate that. So guys, be safe and have yourself a great weekend, and we'll catch you on the next one. I know this one's a quick one, but I just wanted to show you guys exactly what you need to do to get proper engagement and less belt slippage. All right, we'll catch you. Bye for now. So yeah, so basically this is the outcome you're trying to look for. So just get it nice and shiny like that and scuffed, and then once you're done, just grab a cloth and spray it, and then just wipe it clean, and this stuff evaporates, takes the grease, takes everything off, and you get maximum contact with your belt. You know, your belt will last longer, your clutch are going to shift faster or easier and smoother, and that's it. So yeah, that's it.